I'm gonna need something that I can actually throw on and go. So another lockdown, which means another couple weeks of me not going anywhere, being in the house, running errands, not having to actually look good. When I say not look good, I mean, you know, it takes a while to do your makeup and do hair. And if I'm just going to be running to the supermarket or going for a jog and I just need to throw something on, I'm gonna need something that I can actually throw on and go. It means another errand wig. We've got another Geniuswigs right now, you guys, and it's very, very similar to the one that I had before. The only difference of this wig is that it is shorter, so it's a shorter length. So I'm going to show you guys how that's styled. And of course you can wear it in the afro style like I've got here, or you can curl it up. And that's the thing about them. The other wig was cute, but sometimes you don't want to have all this hair that you have to put up in a bun, you have to style, you have to... Sometimes you really just want to throw and go. So I'm going to put the bands in the back. It has adjustable straps in the back. And the actual headband itself, you guys, is here, has a Velcro attachment. I'm not quite sure I like the Velcro attachment just because I don't want it to be like touching on my edges. I don't want any Velcro attached to my edges. But that's probably not going to happen if you wear a wig cap. So I'm going to get the wig cap right now. It comes with a wig cap in the box. And inside the box, actually, they give you different headbands. So it's very similar, the same kind of headbands from last time. Oh, they've got a new one, actually. So this one wasn't in here last time. And you get an adjustable elastic band for the wig. Now, I remember some of you guys from the last video said to me that you didn't get all three of these options. I think it's just one, like you can choose which one, but they sent me all of them so that I could show you guys what they look like. But before we get into all that, let me put on the wig cap. So I've got a basic cornrow style, very basic all back cornrows. And this is the style I'm going to keep for the next 4 weeks of this lockdown. I might change it, maybe, maybe not, but most likely not. I'll be switching up the wig. Let's face it, ain't none of us gonna be wearing a wig inside the house. We're only gonna throw on that wig when we need to go run some errands. Probably not even then, because sometimes I'll just put on a turban. But when you wanna go run errands, just... Oh, this one is tighter, it's secure, it's more for my head. And the styling is basically almost already done. Look, you just grab this and just and that's it. That already makes a huge difference to the look. I'm just gonna pull it back a bit. Now I like to leave a little itty bit of my hair out, but because my cornrows are fresh, you probably aren't gonna see any sort of edges or anything like that because the edges are all pulled back in the cornrows. I'm gonna try this new headband. Oh, the material on this one is different. Oh, okay. It's a lot longer than I expected and a lot more colors. Now, you guys, doesn't this look like it's literally growing out of my scalp? It just looks like afro hair. It really does. You know when you stretched your hair? It looks like that. And that's it. That's one way of wearing this to go out. And you guys know if I'm making a YouTube video and I'm just not feeling my cornrows in a vlog, I'm just gonna put on a wig and go. And it's most likely gonna be this one. I'm going to be saying all up on your screen with this, because it's easy. Now, I personally like it in this texture. I like this style, but you can, of course, wet the hair and it goes curly. I don't want to do that just yet. I'm liking the afro look. I don't have curly hair, I have 4C hair, and this is much, much closer to 4C hair when it's blow dried or when you've had a silk press or something. So I'd much rather that. So I'm gonna pull it back a little. I mean, is it weird to even expose the cornrows just a little bit, like as though you've cornrowed some of your hair and not all of it? Is that weird? I don't think it's weird. I don't think that that's weird. It also has a little clip in there that you can use to secure it to your head. So if you do push it this far back, it's not gonna fall off. I don't think that's too weird. I think that kind of works. Maybe a little bit. It's the lockdown style. It's the throw on and go. What are we wearing in lockdown? That's it. That's what it is. Let me switch up. I'm gonna go with the brown one. Again, the style of this one is different. So it's a band at the back, and then it's like a knot kind of style. But the hero of this hair is the versatility to go curly. All you gotta do is get yourself a little spray bottle and spray this hair and it will go curly. Let me show you. So you can wear it like this. Just a little bit of water droplets there that you're seeing. Obviously you let the hair dry first, or you know, not as wet, so you won't get water droplets on you. Or you can diffuse the hair and then you get like these big beautiful bouncy curls. It will almost look like a little bit afro-y. I'll put a clip of the longer hair in there so I can show you guys what it will look like. But if you were to do it with this hair, then it will just get super, super curly and big and bouncy and out and poofy because it's not as long. Instead of having the hair underneath, you can put the band underneath. You know guys, there are a lot of variations that you can do. You don't have to stick with the same things. Someone said that they remember back in the day when girls were gluing on bands to their wigs, to their tracks, to make these kind of like headband wigs back in the day, and it was considered ratchet or ghetto. And I mean, okay, I hear that. But wasn't there also a time when we had super long nails and they were considered ghetto? Wasn't there a time when big hoop earrings and having big chains were considered ratchet and ghetto? And then we let other people come up with the idea and make it into fashion and make it into a trend. And now look, people are always calling something ghetto until it's a trend and until it comes out as this like high fashion. But when it's in the hood, it's ghetto. I don't see this as ghetto. I see convenience. That's what I see. Convenience. That's it. That's it. The more this dries, especially if you're gonna air dry it or blow dry it, the puffier it's gonna get. So yeah. I mean, I didn't put any products in there either. You can put products in there if you want to. I don't feel like I need to do that at this moment in time, especially like if it's just like, you know, to demonstrate to you guys what it looks like. But if you want the curls to be more defined and last longer, you can most definitely add some products, or you can add curling rods in there if you want. You could really go the extra mile with this wig, but I'm not gonna do that. I just want to lock down wig. I just want to throw on and go. So this is literally throw on and go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and the links to the wig will be in the description bar for you guys. I think I also have a discount code for you guys, because I always have a discount code for you guys. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.